Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And as you can see, I am here at Rite doing some deals that are good from April 24th through April 30th. I'm a little late doing my deals this week because I was at CVS tearing all those good deals up. But we have some great deals at Rite that we want to get, especially since we have this booster. This earn $15 in bonus cash when we spend $50. So let's go to the store and let's see what we can get done, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Hit that subscription button and then hit the bell right next to it so you'll get notified every time I put up a new video. So let's get ready to save. Okay, guys, so the first thing I'm going to grab is this Ibotta Poison Ivy Itching Cream. And I got this out of the clearance section. As you can see, the clearance section at my store is like jammed packed. So I'm going to go through here to see what I can find. I'm going to do a deal, spend $50, get $15 back in bonus cash. And I'm going to use these as filler items, as well as a lot of the other clearance items as filler items. I just don't know how I'm going to pair it up and what I'm going to do with it yet. But I'm going to grab them before someone else grabs them. And then I'll put them in the scenarios and show you guys what we're getting. But this I definitely want to get because it comes down to $1.69 if this is correct. Because they have so many different stickers on them, as you can see. But we have a $1.50 Ibotta rebate for these. So the most I'm going to pay is 16 cents for these. So let me show you the UPC. There's the UPC. But these are really good for kids and coming up with the kids going outside and playing outside in the grass and things right now. So I'm grabbing all 5 of those. The limit is 5 of them on Ibotta for the $1.50 rebate. These are pretty neat. These are like serving trays for cookouts and parties and things. These come down to 50 cents. So we're going to grab these. Here's the UPC. And they have blue and red. So I'm going to get all 5 of these. Throw those in the cart. Those are really good filler items too. And then they have these. Okay, these are like deli baskets. Those are 50 cents. And they have blue and red. I'm going to get these 2. Oh, they have gray also. And it's 2 in a pack for 50 cents. So we'll throw these in there. Sorry, guys. This is actually, they're 3 in a pack. So that makes the deal even better. Okay, guys. So the lady, the cashier who works here, who was doing the clearance thing, she always checks me out. She knows I'm a couponer thing. She went back in the back and Look at all these Brillo Basics wipes that she gave me. So she gave me all that they had in the back. And then they had these paper plates, simplified foam plates. There's 16 in the pack for 25 cents. So I got these. So basically I got 16 times 4 for $1. So guys, I have a bunch of filler items. I'm going to use these for my household baskets and bundles that I make to just make them look like there's so much more stuff in them. And this is a lot of filler items. So I have to figure out how I'm going to do this, but I'll be back. Here's the UPC for this, guys. I don't think I showed that to you. So here's that. And then something else that they have. They also have the Compete Advanced Corn Care on clearance. The 10 count. And they are $2 and I think 49 cents or 48 cents if I could read that correct. And then we have these coupons. Guys, please don't ask me where they came from. I totally forget, but I know they're old. The expiration date I think is April 8th on here, but These coupons do not expire. They're non-expiring. So this is $4 off. So if they accept this coupon, if it goes through without beeping, because for some reason I think I had problems with Compeed coupons before, but hopefully I didn't. But if it goes through, then this would be like a $2.51 overage, and I'm going to get 2, so that'd be $5 in overage. So we'll see what happens. Okay, guys, so I'm back from the store, and this is everything I got. This was an amazing, amazing, amazing haul. So all the clearance, just about all the clearance stuff that I showed you in the store, I got with this transaction. Then I added in the Tide. The Tide is on sale, $5.44, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back in bonus cash, and it is a limit of 2 times you can do the deal. So I did the deal twice. I got 4 of the liquid Tides. Make sure that you get the right ones. You have to get the 36 ounce, not the 47, because those are the ones that are not on sale. Only the 36 ounce or 37 ounce are on sale. The 46 ounce are not. Those won't ring up. So you see I got the paper plates that were on clearance. I got the Brillo wipes were on clearance. The other deal that I did not show you were the Pine Saws. The Pine Saw is on sale for $2.99. It is the 24 ounce, and it's on sale for $2.99. And then I got 3 of them. That's all they had. But if they would have had 5, I would have got all 5, because there's an Ibotta rebate for 75 cents. So I got those 3. So I did get back $2.25 from Ibotta for those. So let's go over our receipt. So my total was like $51. But let me tell you guys, I was going to use the $2 off Tide P&G coupons, but I ended up handing him the $3 ones, and they scanned. So if you're going to get the Tide, use the $3 off coupon, because they scanned. Now let's go over my receipt here. So there you see the Everest cream was regularly $6.79, and it was marked down to $1.69. You see I have 5 of those. Oh, here we go with this blurring out. Then there's the Compeed, which was regularly $9.99, marked down to $2.49. My $4 coupon went through just fine. So that actually gave me a $1.51 overage. And then there's the second one. I used 2 of the coupons. Okay, and then there are the Super Bowl sectional split things. Those are those things right here that I showed you on clearance. And we got those for 50 cents. Then there's the Brillo wipes, marked down to 25 cents. You see all of those. And I got 2, 4, 6. I got 12 of the Brillo wipes. And I got, I believe, 5 or 6 of the sectional plates. Okay. Then there's the Pine Saw, which was regularly $3.19, marked down to $2.99. And there's 2, and you'll see another one further down in the receipt. There are the foam paper plates. Those were marked down to 25 cents. There's more of the wipes. There's the other Pine Saw. There's my Tide. So I got 2 Downies and 2 Ultra Oxys. They were $5.44, regularly $8.99. And then there you see my 4 $3 Tide coupons came off. So here my total was $30.66. But I got back a total of $21 in bonus cash, because I used the $15 bonus cash barcode coupon. Okay, and then I got $3 back for every 2 Tides that I purchased. Let me show you those. So there you see bonus cash for Tide, bonus cash for Tide. So that's $6. And then the 15 that adds up to the $21. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. I got back $1.50 for each one of the Everest. that were on clearance that were $1.69. And then I got back 75 cents for each one of the pine sols. So when you add all of that up, between my bonus cash and what I got back from Ibotta, that comes to $30.75. And I paid out of pocket $30.66. So that means they paid me 11 cents to buy all of this. Guys, excellent deal, because all of this is stuff that I use. The paper plates, the pine sol, the Everest I don't use, so I'll end up flipping that, but it was free, or I'll end up donating it. The Brillo wipes I'll use. The serving trays I'll definitely use. And the Compi, well, we'll see about that. I might end up donating that too, because I have tons of those from when they were given bonus cash. So guys, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Let me know in the comments if you were able to find any of this clearance stuff. As you can see from the pictures, my store was stocked with clearance items. I'm actually going to go back tomorrow because she said they have more things that they're going to put out. So I'm going to go back tomorrow and see what else they have. Especially, it's a good way to find stuff on clearance to help you hit your $50 so that you're not spending as much out. So guys, thank you guys very much for watching. And until the next time, keep on saving.